Hi! In front of me is Vivo V15 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once on this device. First of all, you need to open Albums app. Now just hold one of your photos that you wish to get rid of. In my case, this one. Then you need to click on this icon at the top left corner of it to select all of them from chosen section. You can do exactly the same for all of the other sections. In order to exclude some of your photos, just click on the chosen ones. To delete the rest, choose delete at the bottom. And lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!